Surprise, surprise, someone's got mail from Urban Decay. Can you guess what's inside, or should we just open it? I think we should open this bad boy. Other side. The Naked Heat palette. All Nighter setting spray. Anyone? Scissors? Scissors? Anywhere? Anywhere? It's a mission. It's half impossible to open, but we'll get there. Ooh. How pretty is this packaging? It has like a holographic thing going on here. All better. So it comes with a lovely little brush to apply the makeup. And then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 swatches. Then the all-nighter spray. Really cute. But these products look lovely, but we'll put them to the real test when I do my review.